Hey guys, Sean with American Window Concepts, and today I just kind of want to get into what a dual pane glass unit is. So 2 panes of glass sandwiched into a spacer. What I want to show you guys really is like the in-depth, and this is a very high quality dual pane glass unit. A couple things you're gonna notice: the 2 panels of glass are different sizes on this particular dual pane glass unit. This is 3/16 of an inch or triple strength, 1/8 inch thick or double strength, because they do have thinner panes of glass than this. You know, you can get a lot of glass that are like basically almost half this thickness, and they'll have 2 panes of that. With this, you're gonna find something like this in a very expensive, you know, much higher grade window. The 2 thicknesses of glass, what does that do? What that does is the 1/8 inch will stop certain harmonic tones. 3/16 also stops other harmonic tones. This will stop tones that this one does not. And so what ends up happening is, with these 2 different thicknesses, it will stop more sound. This is already a sound packaged glass unit, as I'm showing you. The other thing about this is you're gonna have these little beads in here called Desiccant. Now, the Desiccant, if you ever buy something online or clothes and you're peeling out these little bead bags, that is also Desiccant. It's for moisture. It's to help whatever product they're shipping you for moisture not to really get to it. The moisture gets consumed by that little bead. Well, your window is flooded with those between the spacer here. Whenever you're looking at a seal failure between the 2 panes of glass, that's because there was a seal that was broken between one of these panels of glass and the spacer. The air goes in. The job of this is to get rid of that, right, you know, as soon as possible. But here's the thing, that can get overran. And when that happens, then all of a sudden you start to see that condensation between the panes of glass. But this is a very, very high quality dual pane glass unit, and this is a higher end of what you're gonna get from Cardinal Glass. And that is a dual pane glass unit. You know, there's a lot more that I could get into about this, but you know, this is the gist of it. This is a very, very high grade, and hopefully that helps you kind of understand what you're looking at between the dual pane glass unit. Any questions, always reach out. Thanks and have a great day. Hey guys, if you live in the Central Coast of California and are interested in a free estimate for windows and doors, go to our website, AmericanWindowConcepts.com, and request a quote there. Thank you so much. Guys, thanks for watching this video. If you want to stay up to date on future videos coming, hit that like button, subscribe to our channel. Tons of information about windows come out every week.